Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Tether from Gemini to Revolut in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and moving it between platforms like Gemini and Revolut can help you manage your finances more efficiently. Whether you're preparing for investments or just want easy access to your funds, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Revolut, and that you have some Tether in your Gemini wallet. Also, verify that your Revolut account supports cryptocurrency deposits. By 2025, this should be seamless, but always double-check for any updates. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and select your Tether balance. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Click that to start the transfer process. In the withdrawal form, you'll need to enter the destination address. This is where Revolut comes in. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto tab, and generate a Tether deposit address. Copy that address carefully, as any mistake could lead to lost funds. Back in Gemini, paste the Revolut address into the withdrawal field. Specify the amount of Tether you want to transfer, and double-check everything. Remember, crypto transactions often involve network fees, so factor that into your amount. By 2025, these might be lower with improved blockchain tech. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve the transaction via email or two-factor authentication for security. Now, head back to Revolut and keep an eye on your crypto section. The transfer should appear in your account within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. But a quick tip: always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're using the Ethereum network for Tether. This way, you can track it in real time and avoid any surprises. And that's it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Tether from Gemini to Revolut. This method keeps your assets secure and accessible. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy out there.